Yeah, I just want to be the greatest.
It's your boy HifiVega back again, and this time I'm here to talk about the top 5 items on sale at Down4SoundShop right now. They're running a Black Friday special. I wanted to get this out in time for you guys to get some of these deals, so without further ado, let me just jump into my number 5 pick. Number 5. At number 5, we have the Sundown SA 2.75 full range driver. It's a 2.75 inch full range driver, just like the model number says. It plays from 300 hertz up, has a power handling of 30 watts, and it has a mounting depth of 1.5 inches. It's perfect for those little dash spots in a lot of newer vehicles coming out, and at $52 right now, I think it's a pretty exceptional deal. Definitely worth you checking out. Number 4. For my number 4 pick, I'm coming at you again with another Sundown product. They're really having a great sale, so they're gonna top load this whole top 5. So number 4 is the Sundown 8-inch coaxial driver. This is a single form driver, handles 60 watts RMS, is 94 dB efficient, plays all the way down to 60 hertz, and at $66 each, I think this is a really killer deal, especially if you're going to be doing some door pods. These things would really kill in that situation, and that's why they made the number 4 spot. Number 3. Coming in at number 3 is yet another Sundown product. It is the SFB 600D. This little 600 watt amp. It is tiny. It's like 8 inches by 5 inches by 2 inches thick. It puts out 600 watts in that tiny footprint, and it comes in at $115. This is a little amp that anybody can add to their system and get a lot of performance for a small package and a small amount of money. So if you need a tiny amp at a good price, definitely consider checking out the SFB 600D. Number 2. Coming in at number 2 is the Wolfram O-2400.1D. It is a 2400 watt amp for $213 on sale right now. You guys know that Wolfram always has a reputation of exceeding their ratings, and this one is no different. These are really solid amps at a budget price at $213. That's less than 10 cents per watt. So if you need a lot of power and you have a budget of under $250, definitely pick this Wolfram 2400.1D up. Number 1. Alright, for my number 1 pick, I'm hitting you with a clearance item. Quantities are limited on this, so it's kind of a first come first serve. So if you are even considering this item, pause the video now, go buy it, and then come back and finish it. But that is the certified Basshead 2-watt OFC wire. It is on clearance now, 50-foot roll for $200. That's an exceptional value. That's an insane value, especially with prices of wire kind of going through the roof right now. So if you need some 2-aught wiring, if you were going to buy 1-aught at $250 a 50-foot roll, say $50, pick these up. Definitely check this deal out. Hopefully they still have some in stock when you go to purchase it, because like I said, this is a screaming deal, and that's why it's at the number 1 spot. If you want another wire deal, you can go to HifiVega.com right now and get 15% off any product now through November 29th. Just use coupon code Black Friday 15% off. Alright, that's it. That is my top 5 Black Friday specials that are going on at Down4Sound right now. Go check them out. Let me know what you bought, if you bought anything. Obviously, I'll have affiliate links below for every single item. So if you're going to purchase one of these, I'll help your boy out. Use the affiliate links below, and they will know that I sent you their way. So if you like content like this, please consider subscribing. I'd love to have you on board. Hit the little bell if you do, so you'll be notified when videos like this drop. I do all kinds of different content. But with all that being said, I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope to see you all in my next video. I want to give a shout out to all my Patreon supporters, but a special shout out goes to the $6 or more members: 2001 Monolithic, G Nava, Joaquin Juarez, El Fuego, Travis McClendon, Brandon Hanna, William Berg, Boxboy Audio Sound Solutions, Jesus Tires, Dennis Cromwell Jr., Scott Dilbeck, D. Stewart, Aaron Waltz, David Kozlik, Scott McCord, Matthew Tolberg, DBO Bass, Corey D, and Trucker 9000. For as little as $2 a month, you can join the team and help me reach my first goal of $200 a month so I can do a Patreon exclusive monthly podcast. If any of this sounds interesting to you, check me out at patreon.com/HifiVega. This wouldn't be a HifiVega list without a bonus pick, and you knew that, so you stuck around. Here you are. Here's my bonus pick. It is the XS Power 750B, like add-on battery kit. It comes in at $160. You get the battery, the XP 750, I believe the model number is. You get the battery case to mount it. You get a full 4-gauge amp kit. It is CCA, but you know, for this price, I think it's a pretty good deal. You also get 2 fuse holders. That way you can fuse it on both ends. You get battery terminals and everything for $160. Fantastic deal. If you're running a modest system of 1500 watts, this is definitely something you should consider, especially if you have a vehicle with a smaller alternator like a 90 amp alternator or something like that. You know, just give you a little more juice for your system. But that's my bonus pick. Affiliate link for this will be in the comments below as well. And thanks for sticking around for the extra content. You guys really are the true OGs. And I'll catch you on the next video. As I was building this custom Big 3 kit for a customer, I figured, what is the HifiVega difference, to borrow a term from my buddies at Down4Sound? What makes a HifiVega Big 3 kit different from something you'd get elsewhere? Well, one is the totally sick heat shrink. I really dig this heat shrink a lot. But another thing that I do, and I don't know if you do this when you build cables, it's something I picked up from work, building battery cables for forklift batteries and big network powered batteries. Every time we crimp lugs, we always bend the wire. What I mean by this is I let the wire hang naturally, and then I make sure to crimp the lugs in a manner that they're facing each other so they can be zip tied together like this without distorting the wire. This makes it a lot easier when you're making a connection. That way you don't need to twist the wire one way or the other to get it hooked up. That is one thing that makes HifiVega Big 3 kits unique.